guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool origami piano. Let's get started. These are the materials. You'll need a piece of paper that is black on one side and white on the other. If you don't have this, you can just paint a piece of paper black on one side. You'll also need scissors and some black markers to add details. First, we're going to make this piece of paper into a square. You're going to fold it like this. And then you're going to cut along the edges to make a square. Now that I cut off the edge, we have a square. I'm going to turn it over and then fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half again. Now I'm going to unfold it once and fold the two ends into the center. And then I will do the same on this side. Now we're going to unfold it on both sides. And then on one side you're going to put your finger inside and then open it so it forms the triangle. You're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to fold these two flaps up so they match the black part. And then I'm going to fold them back onto the black part and make it flat. Then I'm going to fold this side in and the same on the other side. Now you can unfold it kind of and you've got your piano. Now we're going to unfold it and make the keyboard lay flat. We're going to use a black marker to add the keys. You're going to want to draw two rectangles. And then three. Now we're going to color it in, and then we can add lines on the end of each one. Now that I made my piano, I'm going to make some sheet music. You're going to cut them into tiny rectangles like this. Now we're going to use a black pen to make some music. You can just make a staff and add some notes on it. And then you can make another one at the bottom. And there you have it, a cool origami piano. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.